I'm going to show how to make venison cevapi. The traditional method is to prepare it fresh as a skinless sausage. The following are the ingredients. Obtain the following meat: venison from the hindquarters, pork butt, and bacon. Cut and weigh out 2 pounds of the pork butt, 5 pounds of clean venison, and mix in a bin with half a pound of bacon. Grind the mixture and set aside in a large bag. Next, gather the seasonings. For convenience, I use jarred minced garlic. I also use smoked paprika, but you can use any paprika depending on your taste. You can also add in an optional 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Measure out the ingredients and set the garlic aside for later. The garlic will later be added directly to the meat mix. The rest of the ingredients will be transferred to a blender and blended in 1 cup of cold water. While the ingredients are blending, fill a bin, or in this case a meat mixer, with the ground meat. Begin mixing while adding in the minced garlic. Mix in very well. If you don't have a meat mixer, then use gloved hands and mix in a food-grade bin. Next, take the blended seasonings and add into the meat. Once again, mix very well. Transfer the meat to a bag and chill in a refrigerator or an ice cooler if planning to cook immediately. Or the meat can be packaged in freezer bags or freezer paper and stored in the deep freeze. Here's how the sausage is prepared. Grab enough of the meat mixture to create a meatball the size of a ping pong ball. Then begin to roll it between your hands in this manner, forming it into the shape of a finger. The size should be approximately 3 inches long and 3/4 of an inch in diameter. Repeat this method on the rest of the meat mixture. Then place the sausage links in a refrigerator while you prepare a charcoal grill for cooking. Once the coals are ready, remove the sausage from the refrigerator and transfer them to the hot grill. Grill the links while turning them occasionally until they are fully cooked through. Then, remove from the grill and serve immediately.